Are you still having trouble making money online? Did you try different online jobs or online techniques but only earn a few dollars? Perhaps you will watch numerous videos on YouTube learning awesome new methods, but nothing appears to be working. Not to worry. In this episode, you'll learn how to earn up to $1,000 in passive income, and once you set up the system, it could run indefinitely for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. And you can begin receiving notifications from your email inbox. Have you tried affiliate marketing? So, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to increase sales and generate substantial online revenue. Both brands and affiliate marketers will benefit greatly from this. Affiliate marketing is an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online because it is a quick and inexpensive way to make money without the hassle of actually, selling a product. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn passive income using this app that I will show to you, even without investment. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Creative Live is an online education platform where you can improve your creative skills by taking online courses from some of the best creative professionals from your computer, tablet, or phone. The courses are primarily geared towards various types of creators, including artists, entrepreneurs, musicians, photographers, and crafters. Creative Live also provides courses in lifestyle and self-improvement. Health, fitness, money management, and other topics are covered. A wide range of business and entrepreneurship courses are also available. Creative Live believes that anyone, regardless of skill level, can reach their full potential as a creative freelancer or entrepreneur. With their excellent courses, they push and encourage you to pursue your dreams and maximize your skill set. So currently, the platform offers a variety of services ranging from free live-streamed masterclasses to longer and more in-depth courses. You can either provide your existing skills or learn something completely new. It's up to you. The platform's primary goal is to help creative professionals succeed in their fields by instilling confidence and providing them with practical skills. Whether it's a course on building a successful blog or one on recording rock guitars, all courses are related to the creative industries. Creative Live's classes are more interactive and engaging than many other online courses. So each class is live streamed and recorded in front of a live audience in a studio, while you cannot interact or ask questions while watching a class. Students in the studio or those watching live online do contribute and participate. So one of them will most likely ask you the questions you have. This also makes classes more dynamic as a whole because, teachers are bouncing questions off the students rather than just addressing the camera. Because this website offers a lot of classes, many people may want to enroll in either one of them, and with that, you can also earn a lot. But how? So Creative Live has an affiliate program which allows you to earn money by directing your audience to high-quality content. The Creative Live program is ideal for those who have photography, online education, business, music, crafting, or training tools website. So this program allows participating websites to earn a commission on Creative Live sales. Custom links and banners will be provided to affiliates for use on their websites. So when a visitor uses your referral link to make a purchase, you will be paid a commission on the sale. You can join the Creative Live affiliate program if your website is relevant to the products offered by Creative Live and does not contain any offensive or objectionable content. But, Creative Live reserves the right at their sole discretion to refuse members, at any time, so they have that right. Participation in the Creative Live affiliate program is completely free. Creative Live welcomes affiliates from all over the world. The commissions are paid in US dollars. So affiliates would be paid a 20% commission rate for new customer purchases, a 10% commission rate for returning customer purchases, and a $1 commission rate for new registration, signups, and $10 for each referred affiliate. So signing up with Creative Live is extremely easy. ShareASale Affiliate Network manages this affiliate program. So if you don't have an account on ShareASale, you can create one. ShareASale affiliates can immediately apply to become Creative Live affiliates. The review process will take up to 2 days, according to the Creative Live team. To get your application approved faster, use an email address that matches your website in the profile. So affiliates are encouraged to include as many links as they wish in order to increase click-through and conversion rates. However, combining a creative banner with the creative logo can increase its effectiveness. Affiliates will receive a monthly commission via check or direct deposit. To be paid, your account must have a balance of $50 or more. Otherwise, it will roll over into the following month until the minimum balance of $50 is met. Check, direct deposit, Payoneer, and wire transfer are the payment methods available. A large selection of text links and banners, a 30-day cookie window, a dedicated affiliate management team, and regular newsletters with promotions, contests, and program updates are among the other advantages of Creative Live. Affiliates may copy and paste content and images from the Creative Live website onto their own websites. But all images must be used in conjunction with the sale of a product via the affiliate programs. The use of images to improve the overall design of the website is not permitted. Now, before I continue, let's just have a little chit chat, shall we? Have you ever heard of this method before? Well, if you have, tell me your experience down below so that we can talk about it and, I could learn more about you and your experience. So let me talk more about Creative Live, So stick around. So when you add a banner or link to your website, it will be tagged with your unique ShareASale ID. Once approved, the simplest way to create links is to visit the Creative Live ShareASale affiliate page. There, you can browse through the different text and banner link categories or create a custom link to any page on the website. Log into ShareASale's Affiliate Getaway and go to the Get Link section to create a banner link. Then, under Get a Link or Banner, locate Creative Live and click Get Links beneath the company name. Or you can also go directly to the Creative Live affiliate page. So I'll be showing on the screen the link. There, you can look through the array of text links, banners, and data feed products and get the HTML code for each. So when you add the text link, banner, or product to your website, it will be associated with your specific affiliate ID. When you receive a customer order that you want to fulfill with Creative Live products, copy the text link and paste it into your browser. This will direct you to the Creative Live website via ShareASale's routing system, where you will be credited for the sale. ShareASale tracks a cookie that is automatically applied to the computer of a person who clicks on a banner or text link with your affiliate ID number embedded within it to determine when you should receive a credit. So each banner or link you create is labeled with your ShareASale ID number, informing them that you are entitled to a commission on the sales you send their way. You can get all of these banners and links by logging into your ShareASale account and selecting one of the banners or simple text links available. So these links can be used from any website, typed directly into a browser, or in the case of text links, emailed. By copying and pasting a link into your browser, you can test it. The link is active if you are directed to the Creative Live website. So do not mistake a landing page URL from the website for an affiliate link because it will not track properly. Each transaction is recorded on ShareASale servers and is available for detailed review. ShareASale will track your clicks, sales, and commissions in real time. So now that you know all of this information, are you excited to try this method of passively earning money online? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!